Hello students, welcome back to mathematics class. Students, this is part 19 of the chapter squares and square roots. In our previous session, part 18, we learnt finding square root of a number by using long division method or bar division method. We will continue same the topic, which is very important topic. Students, here I stopped discussing with you in our previous session finding square root of a number 4096, and we continue from the next same finding square root of a number, but when there are odd digits or odd number of digits. Here even number of digits we have seen, and you know, to find the square root of this 4096 after choosing, after pairing, after choosing appropriate perfect square which is equal or less than, and subtracting the product and adding below, we got taking down next pair, choosing next digit 4, 124 4s are 496, 124 4s are 496, subtracting gives remainder, and we have got square root of a number which is a perfect square being 64. We did up to here. Now if the number of digits are not in even number, they are in odd number, how shall we proceed? That's we are going to learn. Find the square root of a number 576. Here 576 is a perfect square and it is having 3 digits. I will explain for this smaller ones first. Write the number and draw the lines above and left of the number. Now students, try to observe while doing first step, that is marking pairs from units end, you know that this 76 becomes a pair and 5 doesn't have a pair. What should I do is your question. Students, very simple. If I put 0, will there be any change to the number 576? 576 can also be written as 0576. No change to the number. Now can I say 05 is the first pair or leftmost pair? Obviously. Now since this pair is a single digit number, I have the possibility of choosing out of 149 only. When I want to choose a perfect square, equal or less than, obviously 4 is the appropriate. Though 1 is smaller but not closest, 4 is the closest one and 9 is a bigger one. So to whom this 4 is a perfect square, I mean square number it is. So for 2 it is. So 2 2s are gives 4. So this product is subtracted, which gives 1, and now I have here this 2 added gives me 4. So I have here a 2-digit number, 4 being in tens place. That means I have here new divisor being 40 to 49, any one number. So how to choose? First bring down, get the pair, Next pair I have 76. Once I brought this, it becomes 0176, which is 176. So I have to choose such a digit in the box so that when that digit is multiplied to a number generated 4 being in tens place closest to 176. So students, by trial and error I have to choose out of any one digit from 0 to 9. So let us change the color first. Here I will choose a black color. Suppose if I have taken 0, in this trial and error, will you check for everything? Suppose if I take 0, 40 into 0 is not close. If I take 1, 41 into 1, 41 not close. 40, let us say 2 is chosen, 42 2s are 84 not close. Will you do like this? So if you do, you will use lot of your time and energy in solving such question 1 or 2 only. So instead of that, always remember who is the center from 0 to 9. So in center we have 5. So choose first 5. If I choose 5 first, 45 5s are, which is obviously 200 above. It is 225. That means I should not check above 5. I should check below 5 only. So remember children, if you want to find quickly, use for 5 first and decide should I go above or below. If once I know that I have to come below or choose a digit below 5, now think sensitively, it is somewhere 40, 44s are 160, that means it is close to 176. So that must be somewhere 4 only. So 44 4s are is 176, it is equal. So that's how we choose and find we got the remainder 0, and therefore the given number is perfect square, and I have square root of 576 being the quotient 24, which I can cross check when I add 4 to this 44, that is adding the same digit to the box gives 48, which is double of square root 24. So that's how we can find, and for odd number of digits also it is easy because we fill that before the leftmost digit of the given number, before leftmost digit of the given number by putting 0. That's it. Now let us take another example. Here another example I am taking. Find the square root of 729. Now what should I write this number? It must be written as 0729. That's it. That means I have written a number taking 0 here, drawn above and below lines, and as following the steps I will mark. I will choose some other ink children. I will choose now blue. Here 0729 are the pairs, but I marked from unit end. I have not gone wrong. Here I am marking from unit end only, units end. So 29 is one pair, 7, and by taking 0, 07 is another pair. Now I have only option of 1 4 9. So obviously 4 is the right one. That means 2 2s are 4 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Now adding 2 here gives me a 4 and a number whose units place is to be chosen, but tens place is 4. Now get the next pair down, that is 29. If it comes down, it becomes 329. Now I have to choose in this box such a digit which is closest to 329. Now again children, as I said, from 0 to 9 any one digit will come. As I said, center. While finding using trial and error method, use the center technique. So center is 5, and you know already 45 5s as 225. That means I should not choose below digits, I have to choose above digits only. Now above digits are 6, 7, 8, 9. But one more technique of choosing a right one, since it is 9, I can have here 3, 3, 3 3s gives 9, or 7, 7 gives 49. That means it must be somewhere 7 only. So 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 4s are 28, plus 4 32. So that's how, when I have already given that given number is a perfect square, so I will identify by watching end digits here in the remainder. So for me, let me choose another ink. So here I will choose the red ink. So 7 7. So 47 7s is 329. So 329, when it is subtracted from 329, gives me 0. That means the given number is a perfect square. We are already told that it is a perfect square. So square root of 729 is a 27, which we got as a quotient here. So we can cross check. 7 added to that digit added to below here 47 gives 54, which is the double of 27. So that's how we do it for a number containing odd number of digits. Now we shall take further for 5 digits. At 5 digits number, find the square root of a perfect square, 10,609. Now what is the number? If I have 10,609, that means 01, 06, 09. So no change to the 10,609 by putting 1 0 in front of 0, that is to the leftmost of that number, whereas it gives 3 pairs. That is what we are going to do. Write the number and make the pairs. After making the pairs, choose the number. Here straight away 1 1s are 1 and 0. So 1 added to 1 gives 2. So it's a number with the tens place as 2. The possible numbers are 20 to 29. And here I have wisely, once I have taken down 6. So here the number is 6. Now students, here your brain should tell us this. What must be the digit here to be chosen? Let me change the color here. Suppose from 0 to 9, if I choose any number, it is like, if I choose 1 and above, 21 1s is 21, 22 2s is 44, 23 3s is 69, and so on. They are all more than 6 only now. Then what should I do? Now here your wiseness to be shown. We will choose 0. 20 zeros are 0 to be taken. Here this digit is 0. So while we have 0, 20 zeros are 0. Now 6 minus 0 gives us 6 again. Now take the next pair, gives us 0, 9 coming down. Now adding this 20 with 0 gives us 20. Now I have a wisely chosen one more box. That means here in the next stage I have a number having hundreds place 2, having 0 in tens place and units place digit yet to be decided. Now let me change the ink once again. Students, here by changing the ink I want you recognizing the procedure and process where I am doing. Here this digit must be someone from 0 to 9 but close to 609. Now students, it need not be 0 because 200 zeros are 0, it comes not close. 201 ones are is 201, it is not close. 202 twos are is 404, not close. I have already told, since the given number is a perfect square and being last digit, in the remainder units digit 9, it can be 3 or 7. If it is 7, 200 into 7 is 1400, which is more than 600 for so many times. So many times means it's almost 1.5 times. Here 3 is the opt one. So 203 is 609, whereas the difference becomes 0. So who is that digit here to be chosen? Here digit is 3. Whereas I have a box here first drawn. So I have, once the given number is a perfect square, square root of a number 10,609 is 103. That I can say by watching here whether I got in remainder 0 or not. How to cross check? If I add this digit to the previous divisor, should be that new divisor should be double the what we have got as a square root. This is how we find the square root of a number even if it is in odd number of digits. Students, this is very important question because you are getting a situation of choosing a 0 as a digit in the square root. Be careful, practice this question once, twice to get perfection. Now these are the steps, rules what I have followed. Okay, now I am taking you to homework. So students, here I am giving you homework. This is first homework. Try this from your textbook. Students, you have learnt if the number of digits in a given number, that is in a given perfect square known, we can say how many digits will be there in its square root. Without calculating square root, find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. I gave you a rule, use that rule to find this answer. Along with this, I am giving you 3 more questions, but these questions are application type. Remember, we will solve them using long division method only. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 so as to get a perfect square. Find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. In the beginning of the session number 17, that is for this method, long division method, I gave you how to do also. This question number 2. Find the least number that must be added to 1300 so as to get a perfect square. So here what is to be subtracted, here what is to be added. So solve these questions, and if you get answer, well and good. If you do not get answer also, don't worry, I'll be there to help you. You can ping me up through WhatsApp group, I'll help you. Okay, so till then, take care, bye, be healthy, be happy. Jai Hind, thank you.